Welcome to another immersive experience with Key Encounters. Let's talk about it. Today we're going to be talking about Red Bull, and this is the yellow edition tropical flavor energy drink in a 12-ounce can. This is a non-alcoholic item. These interesting additions are hit or miss for me. Some don't taste well, some of them are very unpleasant. And then there's some that are like right on the money, what you expect as a consumer. And so for me, it's just hit or miss. Red Bull is Red Bull, so we'll give it a shot. You never know if the product's going to be fire. So we have the nice color. The color matches the can. You know, it's tropical. So let's find out what we can get out of it. What is that? That's like almost like pineapple, papaya, orange, guava. Smells like a pog. Yep. Papaya, orange, and guava. But I would also say pineapple and orange. I'd go with that. Almost, it smells like a Cactus Cooler, one of my favorite sodas growing up. So orange and pineapples. You could say papaya, guava. You can do any of those things. Orange. But yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells like either a pog or a Cactus Cooler. That's papaya. That's guava. So we'll go with a pog. A lot of orange, that like orange zest zang, that zing, that zang, like that's what's popping. I also get that, to me, feels like guava on the back end, and it kind of makes it soft. Like this one has texture to it. There's multiple flavors. It's layered. I don't taste Red Bull. It doesn't taste artificial. I'm not coming up with any sort of like candy or any sort of like sweetener. Like this one is really good. Like there's only like two other ones I like, and I'd probably have to put this one right at the top of the list, only on the grounds that all the flavor that it's providing is enjoyable. It's not like a secondary tasting situation. Nothing is fighting for your favoritism in the flavor department. Everything's working very well. It's crushable, and I also feel satisfied drinking it as well. So I'm going to leave it with that. So again, if you guys don't know what a pog is, it's papaya, orange, and guava, or you can do pineapple, orange, and guava. But you're definitely going to get some tropical notes. Another thing is, if you're someone who really enjoys certain drinks, if you remember a Cactus Cooler, that's what it also tastes like as well. The carbonation is nice, and I'm glad I was able to try it. So I appreciate your time sitting here with me for this experience. And until next time, cheers.